SpaceX just put on an incredible show, launching 2 rockets in a single night from Florida's Space Coast. Can you believe it? The first Falcon 9 blasted off just after 10 p.m., carrying 29 Starlink satellites into orbit from the historic Pad 39A at Kennedy Space Center. But they weren't done. Less than 4 hours later, at 1:44 a.m., another Falcon 9 roared to life right next door at Cape Canaveral, also carrying 29 Starlinks. And of course, SpaceX nailed the booster, landing on the drone ship, just read the instructions out in the Atlantic. These were the 145th and 146th Falcon 9 missions this year alone. Most of these have been for Starlink, which now has over 8,900 satellites in orbit. What an amazing pace! Thanks for watching. For more cool space news, make sure to follow our channel.